Hey guys, really didn't have time to put a video together this week. We have really been going strong. Just want to give you a quick update on what's going on with this wall over here right now. We're doing a rock garden at the foot of it. Also acts as a French drain system too, so any water that's running over top of that wall will perk through the drain. Chase over here now, we're laying out around these beautiful oak trees right here. We're going to lay out a deck that actually matches the indentation of the wall, which is really cool. It was actually Chase's idea, and I like some of the designs he comes up with, so I asked him what he would do. This is going to be cool. We'll do a deck that comes out and matches the inlay of the wall, and then we'll cut out around the trees, leave a little bit of room so the trees can continue to grow. Alright, so we got a lot of the rock installed here with a weed barrier underneath of it also. And like I said earlier, there's class 3 riprap underneath of it. So that's a good protection in case we do have a storm. We got a secondary protection. We've got marine treated 2x12s as our border for holding that in place. All the erosion control or the weed barrier is nailed with stainless steel nails to that. Now we've come down here with a ground contact, actually a ground burial 2x12. We lift it up about 5.5 inches above our deck. We're going to screw that in all the way around. Then we'll come back with another weed barrier, attach it to the rough cut timbers up there to the 2x12. Level all this out. We're going to come back with 12 inches of white beach sand through this whole area. So we'll be transforming this to their own little beach area. It'd be really nice. The guys are designing a limestone fire pit down here now. Lay the dimensions out for the customer to look at, see if they're happy with that. And if that's the case, we'll get that leveled up and build a nice limestone fire pit right here in the middle of the yard where they can sit on the deck underneath the oak trees, burn some firewood, and watch the sunset with the western view right here. Thanks for checking out the video. If y'all haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like and share. If you got any comments or questions, feel free to leave them for me. I'll try to get back with you. Been pretty tied up, not able to answer a whole lot of email questions, but I'll try to get them just as soon as I get a free moment here. And I appreciate all the patience of the people that are waiting for us to show up. These projects here take a long time, so please, if you would, be patient with us, and we'll give you the same dedication and hard work on your project when we get there. Thank you.